try it on him if you want. Hello, folks. It's me again. I'm gonna do probably a year or two review. This is the DEWALT DC343B. DC343B. This is my review of this tool. This is the most handy, coolest little tool ever, and I've used it for cutting bolts, flattening bolts. I brought it everywhere. It's small, it's compact, it cuts just about everything, and the best part is it goes two directions. My favorite is my really favorite part is this part, which somebody's won't come out. This is my favorite of all time. Things won't come out. Hold on. My favorite thing is this part right here. The fact that this thing has a little spot in there that doesn't come out very easy. Has the little light in here somewhere, which kind of shoots up where you look. The light don't really work all the time.
I'm crazy.
And it locks, and she's crazy. But this damn thing is handy. Like it's like a drill with a motor sideways. It's like a drill handle with the motor sideways instead of the front. Maybe if they did make a front loading one, but then that would be stupid because if you made a front loading one like this, you'd probably just get one of those adapters and just use one of these. Yeah, so that's kind of stupid. But this thing is so damn handy. I like literally. Maybe they should make a left-handed size one, or if they made one with one of these on this side, you can make a mini bench grinder out of it. Be funny. But yeah, no. But back to seriousness. I think I don't think it came with a clip because I bought a few extra belt clips, and this thing is so freaking handy. It's like it is just unbelievable. And I've used it for tons of stuff. I've cut steel in my car. I've cut pieces off four-wheeler. I actually it gets in a pretty tight space. Like it's wide, but if you can kind of get in a little space, and if you don't, the best part is if you like most cutting abrasives, if you don't force the abrasive, you can make this little wheel last pretty long. If you don't, like, you force down it, it'll cut through and it'll be going through no time flat. But if you just let the thing do the cutting, these discs, even the Harbor Freight ones, last pretty long. So I cut a few things off the four-wheel. I cut a few three-wheelers up cutting cables and stuff. And yeah, we still get waves in here. So with that said, I just want to rate this as I'd say it's at least a 4 or 5 star. Thumbs up on this thing. DEWALT, you made something besides drills, other stuff that doesn't suck. And honestly, this and the drill are probably the two most heavily used things in this garage. Don't get me wrong, I still use a reciprocator once in a while. I use a cutoff tool, all kinds of other little things. Like I have a leaf blower I use once in a while. And I'm by no means am I a DEWALT fan. The only reason why I bought DEWALT years ago is because I liked this yellow color. It was like bright. And my garage was dingy, messy. It was actually a lot cleaner than this because I had less shit. So it was easier to find the yellow stuff than it was. So like, it's kind of matches the Stanley, but I wonder if are they the same company? I don't know. So anyway, my leg's itchy. Sorry. So yeah, I bought DEWALT, and once you start buying a certain brand, I also have a Milwaukee cordless screwdriver that I bought, and I have an adapter for DEWALT batteries to Milwaukee tools. I haven't bought any Milwaukee tools. There was one tool I wanted, but I ended up buying a DEWALT. So other than that, great job. Anybody else like this tool? And when I bought it, it was on sale for 99 bucks. I think now they're 139 with no battery. And I usually go to Runnings over the border, and sometimes they usually practically give these things away. But 2 or 3 times a year, it's like, buy one tool, get a free battery. Buy another tool, get 2 batteries. And they had the only reason why I have like 10 batteries is because I just keep, I'll take another one. And then just give the tool away and keep the battery because I basically paid for a battery, super cheap. So When it comes to angle grinders, I keep the angle grinder because I have like 7 of them. So anyway, we're gonna out of here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends, and click some buttons. Gonna say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye. See you later.